Three.
Hi guys, this is Ava with Hardwood Floor Restore. I just wanted to talk to you about this project. So this client in particular has 6 dogs that are primarily housed inside. The floors were extremely worn, extremely soiled. There was a lot of urine and a lot of feces. So we're going to be doing a thorough cleaning and then our abrade and recoat process. So we're just going to be removing the finish. You will see that there's a lot of patches of missing stain where the floor is lighter in those areas than others. So we will be doing a stain correction as well, where we fill in those areas with color to kind of make the floor blend. It's a much cheaper option than fully refinishing the floor. She also tried to sand down one of the rooms herself and did a couple of strips with a drum sander. We will not be working on that area today. We're just going to be doing the upper level, and she's going to put carpet back down where she sanded on the floor. So I hope you guys enjoy the process, and you guys have a great day. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.